490 BC, the world's greatest empire turns its gaze toward a rising city-state, Athens. The Persian Empire, ruled by Darius the Great, seeks retribution. Athens has dared to support a rebellion in Asia Minor. And now the great king demands punishment. A massive Persian fleet crosses the Aegean Sea and lands on the wide, flat plain of Marathon, northeast of Athens. Their objective is unmistakable: crush Athens and ensure no other Greek city ever challenges Persia again. Athens faces an impossible choice: surrender or confront the might of an empire. With only about 10,000 hoplites and 1,000 allies from Plataea, the Athenians make their decision. They will fight. Sparta has promised help, but religious festivals delay their army. If Persia comes now, Athens must stand alone. Command falls to Miltiades, a general who once served under the Persians and understands their tactics better than any man in Greece. He proposes a bold, dangerous plan. We attack first. At dawn on September 12th, 490 BC, the Athenian line begins to advance. Persian archers release a storm of arrows, darkening the sky, but the hoplites raise their shields and break into a full sprint. No Greek army had ever charged the Persians like this. The invaders are stunned. In the center, the Greek line bends under pressure, but on the wings, the hoplites push deeper and deeper, curling inward, encircling the Persian ranks. The battlefield collapses into chaos, and within hours the great invasion force is breaking apart, racing back toward their ships. The Persians retreat. Athens is saved. The victory at Marathon changes everything. For the first time in history, free citizens, ordinary men defending their homeland, have defeated the army of a vast empire. It proves that courage, discipline, and unity can overcome even the greatest odds. The Battle of Marathon becomes a symbol of resistance and a reminder that the fate of nations can rest in the hands of ordinary people who choose to stand and fight.